Hello, my dear valued clients. I'm your old friend Julian, owner of Lypallets and also Lypallets brand creator. I have been in plastic pallet industry for more than 10 years. I'm so glad to meet you all here. In this video, let me show you our company details. You want to learn our production facility? Let's go. This is our main production factory. It covers the area is more than 100,000 millimeters per square, and we can produce more than 3 million pieces per year. And here, this is the pallets delivered broken. It's in warranty time, and this pallet is used for rental business. And now today, they're sending back to us, and we will make them into small pieces, get into new production, and then new pallets back. And here you can see we have more than 10,000 pieces of pallets here all over the square. You can find any kind of pallets as you want here. The IFR detects green pallets is workable with steel reinforced, and the pink pallets not suitable, and the black one recycled material, the orange pallets, and the blue color pallet, and the hygienic pallet over here, the green one. As long as you want, we can make it for you. Let me show you my workshop for factory. Here, this is a welding machine for our hygienic pallet design. Let me show you here. You know why we call it hygienic? Because the pallet smoothly and the backside of the pallet smooth. And we will mix the tubes inside the pallet for the high capacity working capacity. You see the welding machine we use is very advanced machine here. And let me show you how we make the steel tubes inside. Our steel tube is different with others. This is our welding procedure. In the year of 2024, we invested $1 million for our third plant. As you can see from my backside, we have two facilities for this plant. And this one, we installed a modern robot for produce our plastic pallets products only. And for this one, we use for produce our small plastic things such as plastic dustbins, plastic boxes, and crates such as small things. Now, let me show you inside one by one. Let's go to the plastic pallet facility first. Now, let me show you our plastic pallet facility now. Let's walk inside. And you can see these are all of our stocking pallets in different colors. Black color, blue color, of the things. And this facility covers around 10,000 square meters, and it's very large, as you can see inside. Now we are installing our fourth injection machine. We are planning to install totally 8 injection machines inside here. And let me show you our robot control machine. As you can see, this is our full automatic robot to control our pallet production. Maybe lots of your clients, you worry about the small things if the job inside in your facility make your pollution. But first, you can see it totally have no problem with this. Our robot will cut them off and draw them upside. Totally no any problem for your worries to concern the small pieces to drop in your factory. Here we go, our raw materials storing warehouse. As you can see, now we are storing tens and thousands of tons here to support our 10,000 pieces production capacity per day. For different client pallet quality requirement, we have different raw material, such as if client use it for one-way shipping, then they want to economic pallet, and then we use the cheap black recycled material for them. This material is very cheap to meet our clients for cheap requirements. And also, if our clients want for very high quality product, then we will use the virgin raw material for them. Here you can see the mainly two different PP. And this one in China is a very high standard PP quality. But for us, it's not so high. We'll use this one. It's very expensive for this one. It's a higher quality than normal Chinese factory did. Now let me show you what is the virgin raw material looks like. As you can see, it's different with the recycled material. Our raw material from domestic market, also from overseas market, and the perfect one you see is from our China domestic. And now, as you can see, this one is from USA. We imported from the United States of America. Now here we go our pallet quality test area. For every lot of our clients' orders, we need to pick up some pallets and to test their quality, such as the pallet static capacity, dynamic capacity, and rocking capacity. All the capacity tests can be done by this machine. Now, as I know, not so many factories in China have this machine. Only some very professional third-party labs have it. Because we want to be more professional on this product, so we invested a lot of money to do the test by ourselves. And also sometimes our clients want to do some similar applications, such as they want to use a bulk bag, and we can do this also. Okay, we just finished our plastic pallet facility visit. Now let me show you inside of our other plastic products facility. It has a total coverage area of more than 10,000 square meters used for producing our plastic dustbins, our plastic crates and small things, and other small parts like this. You want to meet my teams? Let me show you now. My production teams are all in rich experiences on plastic pallet. We did lots ODM, OEM projects for famous companies.
我是凌越包装生产部总经理赵金涛，我个人从事塑料托盘生产超过20年。我们的生产团队有丰富的塑料托盘生产经验，有多年的外企代工经验，相信我们有能力、有信心满足于各位客户对塑料托盘的各项需求。
我是凌越包装供应部的郭秀芬。 我主要负责塑料托盘的检验和成品入库以及发货工作。我已经从事塑料托盘的工作超过10年了，有能力为各位客户发出合格合规的托盘。
我是凌越包装的财务总监李发辉，主要负责公司的财务、会计以及审计工作。目前凌越包装财务状况良好，每年营收都有稳定的增长。我坚信，凭借公司的实力与团队的努力，凌越包装的业务 定会蒸蒸日上，迈向更辉煌的未来。凌越包装越来越好。
我是代班班长徐永祥，从事塑料托盘10余年，我们有能力保证客户订单顺利交货。
我是凌越物流部集装箱车队张德全。4余年来，我们运输集装箱到青岛港，按时到达，零事故交货。
You want to know my famous clients? Let me show you. WFP is our very important client. It's a World Food Program, and now for this order we do 20,000 pieces for them. And it's around 30 containers loading. This is for Africa Development Bank Group. And as you can see, this black color pallet is made of very high quality HDPE. It's recyclable, and WFP trusts us very much. And today we are going to load their pallets. Let me show you the container loading here. Now, as you can see, we are do the container loading for WFP today. We are planning to load around 10 containers for them. And all containers will be loaded by our workers all by hand to maximum make the loading quantity for clients. This is for saving the shipping cost. We can make around 500 pieces per container for this pallet. After loading the pallets for WFP 10 containers, and there will be another 3 containers blue color pallets for one of our another client from USA. This is our branded pallet, and you can see this LY pallet is our brand, and this is a very high quality pallet. I hope you can like it. Okay, today let me show you another client from Cote d'Ivoire. This is my oldest client. We have worked together for more than dozens of years. And before their container preloading, they invited the CCIC inspector for their preloading inspection. CCIC we have worked for many years. If you have any inspection works, you can ask them for help. They are very experienced on this. Okay, it's soon. I think I'm the only boss in China who started from overseas business, not like other Chinese factories just learn China market. I started from international business 10 years ago. I'm quite familiar with world plastic pallets, such as Euro pallets, American standard pallets, Australia standard pallets. No matter what happened or as long as you have any problem with my national marketing staff, you can find me easily. Call me or email me here with the following my contact details: phone number, emails. I monitor every inquiries, every orders to make sure no problem for our clients. Thank you very much. LY Pallets is sincerely looking forward to have long-term business work with every valuable client. Thank you.